What is up, pickle traders? Lee Ryder here, and in this video we're going to go over the classic 3-bar reversal. This pattern is responsible for fortunes, and it's really the only one we use here at PrimeIQ Labs. So let's dive into it. The candles we're looking at is candle 1, candle 2, candle 3, and the first thing we're always looking for is up against resistance. In this case, or support. In this case it's resistance, and it's statistical resistance, and we have the fractal Bollinger band, and then we also have the time frame Bollinger band, and we get heavy wicking up into that. All right, that's candle number 1. Candle number 2 closes above candle number 1, so we can see that. And then we have the entry, which is number 3, and that's where we get a close below candle number 2 here, and our stop loss goes above the high. So stop loss here, we enter here, and actually if you're being safe, you would enter down here on this next candle, and let's see what would happen. So then from here, so you entered way up here, then the price then moves 2.23% in a short direction in your favor over the next 26 hours. So if you came from our IG, you saw that chart. That's from the minute time frame, and so it'll work on the minute, the hour. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you enjoy it. Go have fun. Go make some money. We'll see you in the next one.